And welcome back. Earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Susan Littlefield about why it's important to support your local farmers market. Well, Susan is now back with a recipe that incorporates vegetables that you can pick up at your local farmers market. And this is a cucumber salad. I mentioned earlier that this is a popular one. A lot of people are sharing it on Facebook. It is on our Pure Facebook page if you guys want to copy it down. But this one's a little bit different than the typical one that's creamy.
Right, so it doesn't, if somebody doesn't like the creamy, or maybe they've got a dairy allergy, this is a great option for them.
Ooh, okay.
This is my friend Kim's favorite family recipe, and I appreciate her sharing it with us. And so I'm one who doesn't like to do a lot of dishes. So unlike the recipe where it tells you to mix everything in 2 separate bowls, what I'm going to have you do is you're going to mix the salt and the sugar.
Okay, in this big bowl.
In this big bowl.
Okay. Ooh, I gotta get the salt out of there.
It's a little humid, and especially with today being as warm as it's going to be, this would be a great salad to serve with your dinner tonight.
Yeah, okay, and then put this in.
Yep, and then throw this is rice vinegar.
Rice vinegar, okay.
Yep. And most importantly, fresh dill, and we can smell it here.
Oh yeah, it smells great.
So just kind of mix that up. You can whisk it or just use your spoon.
Okay.
And to mix it all together. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add to that your onions. And like you said, the recipe's available. This is a half a cup of finely chopped onions.
Ooh, I love these onions too. Okay, get that in there. Right.
And these are 2 medium cucumbers, about 5 cups. So we're just going to dump that all in. If you want to get those last couple remaining.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, and you'll start mixing that up.
Okay.
And this is where you can use 2.
Oh,
you can be like a sous chef.
A sous chef. You know, and I think cucumbers, it's a vegetable that you may love or hate. And for me, I've really grown to love them because I think of recipes like this.
Yep.
You know?
And I love it because it's one that you can put in the fridge and let it set, and it just absorbs all the flavors. So once you got it pretty well mixed,
great.
And this is the correct size of your tomatoes. You want them big and chunky.
Alrighty.
So then you're just going to add in your tomatoes, and it just gives it that wow factor with some good color.
Oh yeah.
And again, just...
This is where I could get messy, Susan.
Hey, that's all part of cooking. And the thing is, you can get all these. You could either have grown them in your own garden, or more importantly, just gone down to your local farmer's market and supported...
Look how pretty.
...a local farmer there.
Okay, I'm going to plate it up here for us. See how it looks. Does your family like this one? Is it a popular one?
They do love it. They love just about any kind of salad, especially in the summer when it gets hot. It's a nice option.
There you go, guys. I would take a bite, but it's a big bite here. I almost need a knife to cut it, but I will give it a try in the commercial break. I'm sure it's amazing. I can't wait to try it. Again, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Susan, thanks for all the work today. We appreciate it.
Hey, no problem. Thank you.
Always good to have you here.